हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम एक ऐसे मसले पर बात करेंगे कि मेरे पास एक टेक्स्ट का स्ट्रिंग है जिसमें से मुझे हर डिजिट को चेक करना है कि वो अल्फ़ाबेट है या न्यूमेरिक है, और साथ में उसकी लेंथ भी चेक करनी है। तो वो कैसे करेंगे, और मैंने को एक ऐसा फॉर्मूला चाहिए so that the user may not be able to input the wrong number into that cell. How can we do that? First we'll check up the length. And the formula for that is length of this number, and we are sure it is 10 characters. Now we'll extract the digit. This is digit 1 and we want to extract up to 10 digits. So the first digit formula for that already we have used mid, and first argument it is asking the text is this, and the starting number it is asking for starting number is 1 comma, and the number of characters we want 1, and we'll freeze this formula so that while dragging it down it does not changes. So this is the same, but we have to check the second digit and length is 1, and again we have to start from the third digit 1 and into the next one is the fourth, and thereafter fifth, and thereafter sixth, thereafter seventh, and eighth, ninth, and this is 10th. All we have extracted, and now we will check. We have to consolidate this formula since there are two kinds of characters into this. Few are five, and rather this last one is six. Six are the alphabets and four are the digits. How can we consolidate all into this one formula? Okay, we'll use the and we'll check first the length of this is equal to 10. This is the first condition, and thereafter we have to check the first digit, which is, as we have used mid of this, comma 1 comma 1. Okay, and the moment we extract this is text, and we will check convert it to the value. Let us see, this is the formula value, what it is asking for, value of the text. It will convert this text into its value. Whenever we'll try to check whether this is a number or not, and again we will check now the value of this text, is it a number? If yes, the answer will be true. If not, the answer will be wrong. And now again we want to reconvert this number into not a number, which means we are looking for text. So by putting all this formula into not, we are just trying to say this number is not a number, means it is a text. So we will use this formula all through the formula, copy this formula. Now simply we'll copy, comma, control V, and now the second number we were to check, comma, control V, and now the third one it should be a number, comma, control V again. Now the fourth one we need to check, and again the fifth one, and we have to say this is the fifth one. Now 5 we have checked. Now what to do? Control V. Now we need not check the next 4 digits because we require the next 4 as the number. So reduce one bracket from also. So which means starting from the 6th character we need to check the next 4. 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. We'll use this formula, and thereafter for the 10th character again we have to use not, because it is also a not a numeric value. So only we'll put it starting from the 10th, only one character. And now since for the AND, one additional bracket we need to close. This is the formula. If the answer comes true, then all the 10 digits plus the length has been checked. So this is false, means there is something wrong. Not first character, then the second character, then the third character, and the fourth one, and the fifth one, then the next fourth, and the last one. Okay, here the length has not been used. len length of C2. This was the error. So now it is true. So let us check. How can we check? You just copy this whole formula, Control C, escape. Just use the data validation Alt DL and the custom. We'll place this formula there into, and the system will check. Now let us check the first digit. If we put it in numeric value, system is going to give error. Escape. Let us check the second one. If we place instead of text as a numeric value, system won't allow. The third one, if we place the value here, system is not going to allow us. What about the fourth value? Let us say again error. System is restricting us not to enter. Something is wrong. Revert to your formula. And now let us say sixth character instead of numerics. Let us place the text. Again it is an error. Now let us check the seventh one instead of numeric, and next the eighth one instead of numeric, error, and instead of numeric, error, and the last is the text digit. Let us try to enter the number instead of text, error. So all the 10 digits we have one by one checked, and just all those formulas we have put into one formula. If the answer comes to true, that means the fan is okay. Just make a copy of this formula and put as a data validation, as we have discussed in our previous videos, wherein you can use the custom formula and paste that formula into the cell. Thank you, brother. Thank you, boss.